Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna introduce our 8-in-1 cavitation RF lipo machine. So as you can see here, this is the handles. We have 6 handles and we have 6 big laser pads and 2 small laser pads. So I'm gonna introduce each handle separately. So firstly is our cavitation, and this is our cavitation handle, and this is 80K cavitation. So let me change to 80K cavitation. On the left hand side, you can change here. What we can change is you can change the intensity here from 0 to 10. So the maximum is level 10 and the minimum is 0. So which means it's not working if you put it 0. And we have M1 and M2. So model M1 is continuous mode and M2 is discontinuous mode. And on the bottom, there's a 2 option here. On the left hand side is the 40K mode. On the right hand side is 80K mode. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works. So how we test the intensity of the handles. So you drop the water on the top of the handle here. Then you open it. So you see, and this is continuous mode. So the 80K cavitation is very strong in fatty solvent. So we test it by observing the water. So which means the handle is working properly. Yep. And this is the 80K cavitation. Okay, you can see the material here. It's made by metal. Yep. And the next one is the vacuum. And this is the vacuum suction. Here, this is the vacuum suction, vacuum RF. So to put it to vacuum, so what we can change for the vacuum, as you can see here, there's a 6 RF here, 6 tuple, and here is you can suck on the screen. And what we can change on the screen is you can change the intensity of the radio frequency from 0 to 13. And also in the bottom you have 2 modes, M1 and M2. M1 is continuous mode, M2 is discontinuous mode. And on the right hand side is for the suction. Because it's the vacuum suction, so you can change the pulse time and the release time. Okay, you have P1, P2, which means the suction time and the release time is different. And here you see there's a L, M, and H is for low. The intensity of the suction is low, medium, and high. Okay, on the right hand side, you can change the suction time and the release time. It's written on the screen, inhale time and the venting time. Okay, let's try. See, when the RF is stronger, the light will become stronger. Brighter, the light will be brighter. You can see here. And I will show you guys the suction. Okay, let me put the inhale time longer, you see? And then the handle release. So you suck on my skin and then release. So this is the vacuum suction, okay? And also in the top of the screen, you can change the treatment time. So when you press start, the time will start to count down to 0. For example, you put, okay, 34 minutes, and we will start from 34 minutes, then it go down to 0, and then machine will automatic stop. So this is what we can change on the screen. Okay, this is the radio frequency vacuum suction, and also we have here we have 3 radio frequency without the suction. So here this one is called quadrupole, and this one is sextuple, and this one is 12 pole. No, sorry, 9 pole. This is 9 pole, and this one is 9 pole. And these are for different area of the body, and this one is for the eyes around, forehead, and the chin. And these 2 big one is for the body. So you have the sextuple and the 9 pole for the body. So this one might be applied on a bigger area of the body, and this one for small area of the body. And this one major for face and eyes around. And let's see what it will change when I press on the screen. So on the top there's a time, treatment time. Treatment time is how long time you want to apply the handles on the customer's body. On the left hand side, the same, you can change the intensity. Okay, let me put this one. So the same, the intensity can change from 0 to 13. On the right hand side, you have the mode, okay? You see? Now, M1 is discontinuous mode. Let's change to M2. Okay, M2 is continuous mode, which means the light is not flashing. So the energy will continuous making output. Yeah, so it's very simple on the screen for the radio frequency. And these were the handles. And the last handles I want to introduce is the cold hammer. And the cold hammer, I should have the thermometer here. I'm gonna introduce my next time. So the cold hammer is this one, very simple cold hammer. This one used right after all the treatment. It helps the customer to calm the skin, relieve the pain, relieve the redness of the skin. So you can put a treatment time on the top and then literally just press start. Very easy. And the handle will get cold in, it might be around 30 seconds. It will become very, very cold. Yeah. And this is used after all the treatment. And lastly, I want to introduce the laser pads. Okay, I put it more closer to the screen so you guys can see it clearly. We have 2 laser. One is a small lipo laser and one is big lipo laser. What make our lipo laser difference is we have the radio frequency on our laser pad. So when you're doing the body slimming at the same time, it can tighten the skin. We have 4 dial here, and we have 4 radio frequency here. And what we can change on the screen is light intensity. So you can change the light intensity from 0 to 10. So let me see, I haven't put it on yet. Yep, you can see the light turn on from 0 to 10. When I put it to lower, and the light is less brighter. Okay, and you have M1, M2, M3. This is the mode for continuous mode, discontinuous mode, and the pause time is longer. Okay, let me show you. So M1 is continuous mode. Okay, M2 is flashing in a regular pace. M3, so it's flashing much faster. Yep, in the bottom, you can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for controlling different pads. So we have 6 pack here, so we got number 6. So you can control each pack separately. Okay, if you want the pad 1 turn on, you press pad 1. So this is the pad 1, so it's working. Yeah. And then if you want the small lipolexer work, then you press here. So we have two here. Okay, this one is working. So you want this one work, then you press. So both of the small lipolexer is working. And on the right hand side, you have the intensity of the radio frequency, which is on the big laser pads. Okay, from 0 to 13. Again, you have the M1 and M2, continuous mode and discontinuous mode. So the energy will continue to make output, and this one will work and then pause, work and then pause. On the top of the screen, you can change the treatment time from 0 to any time you want. Okay, normally like 40 minutes for one section. You put it here, then you press start, and the machine will start to count down the time. Yeah. Okay, so basically this is the introduction for our new 80K cavitation machine. And also for this machine, you can make customization. So you can change the color of the body, color of the edge here. So it can be any color you want, can be pink, can be black, can be purple. And also the laser pad as well, you can change it according to your preference. Okay, also you can put your screen, the logo on here, on the top of the body, but also on the screen. In the opening screen, when you turn on the machines, your logo will appear directly on the screen. So all up to your preference. So basically this is our AM1 80K cavitation RF lipolaser machine. Thanks for watching. Bye.